Hello everyone, my name is Cha Jia Chuan, ID 9708133552530001, and I am currently enrolled in OUMH 1303 English for Oral Communication. Today, I want to talk about a hobby that's fun, relaxing, and tasting. Baking waffle at home. Just imagine the smell of fresh waffle in your kitchen. Crunchy on the outside and soft in the middle. Their smell alone can brighten anyone's day. But baking waffle is just about food. It's a way to relax, be creative, and share happiness with family and friends. In the next few minutes, I'll take you through the history of waffle, the different types, why baking them at home is so enjoyable, and my own personal experience with this hobby. Waffle has been around for a very long time. Back in the Middle Ages in Europe, people made them by pressing dough, breathing hot metal planted over a fire. As time went on, the recipe changed and waffle became the one we know today. They are how we got the thick, soft Belgian waffle and the thickened, crispy American waffle. These days, baking waffle at home is very almost anyone can enjoy fresh, homemade waffle without much trouble. When we really feel like eating something in the middle of the night or early in the morning, we can make it ourselves. There are several kinds of waffle that people enjoy. First, Belgian waffle are thick and soft with this pocket that hold sugar, cream, or fruit. Next, American waffles are thinner and crunchy, often used for breakfast, sandwich, or topping. Finally, creative waffle can be made with flavors like chocolate, green tea, or prepared gluten-free. The best thing about baking at home is that you can try different flavors, shape, and topping. Every bake can be a little different, which makes it fun and enjoyable. Making waffle has more benefits than just eating them. First, creativity. You can try different recipes and add toppings to make your waffle fun. Next, relaxation. Mixing the batter and cooking can help you free calm. And finally, bonding. Waffles are great to enjoy together at family breakfast or with friends. I remember the first time I baked a waffle at home. I followed the recipe, but they are strung to the waffle maker and they come out right. Even though they did look perfect, the smell and taste were amazing, and they encouraged me to keep trying. Under a well, I picked up some helpful tips like heating the waffle maker first, putting a little oil on the pan, and trying new favorite surf and cinnamon or chocolate chip. Each time I baked, the waffle turned out better. The best part was sharing them with my family. Watching them enjoy something made me feel proud and made the hobby even more special. To wrap up, baking waffle at home is more than just cooking. It's a fun hobby that lets you be creative, relax, and share something tasty with others. So next time you want to do something enjoyable, grab a waffle maker, try a recipe, and enjoy making waffle at home. It's also a wonderful way to bring people together. Whether you're sharing waffle with family on a slow weekend morning, hosting a brunch with friends, or teaching kids how to make their own creation, the experience created warm memory and a sense of togetherness. Thank you.